You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that are related and very interesting. Ebullition is how it's pronounced. So, ebullition. Ebullition. Some may say it as ebullition with a bit of an oo sound, which is also fine, but normally it's a schwa. Ebullition. How to pronounce English pronunciation. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Ebullition. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.